Hello everyone, welcome to ForceBolt. I am Tushar Seni and today we are going to talk about the top 5 reasons why IoT is the future of mobile app developments. Internet of Things or IoT is one of the significant influential technologies which has made its way into the tech industry. Sensors that collect data from machines consist of this powerful technology. This is submitted to a central research repository which provides managers with great insight, helping them consider the efficacy of policies and procedures and making decisions to enhance them. IoT is something that people are heavily dependent upon in this 21st century. IoT is an ecosystem of multiple devices that connect and exchange data with each other to increase the efficacy of their roles and intuitively serve customers. Therefore, the use of a mobile app development company's services has become a practice for companies today to ensure that they use full potential of IoT in their mobile applications. Let's see how IoT is actually becoming the future of mobile app development. Number 1. Enhanced hybrid app development opportunities. Thanks to their ability to operate on multiple platforms and devices, hybrid apps have seen considerable rise in demand. This has opened the doors for mobile app developers to create increased UX and leverage IoT power to allow users to communicate with any multi-platform device properly. Number 2. Connectivity. In the IoT era, gadgets will no longer be connected in the conventional method like cellular or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Currently, mobile app developers need to think more about the products to help smoothly connect to the IoT. Also, applications will need to be integrated with a gateway. Also, everything in the IoT technology will require a distinct connection protocol. Thus, developers are bringing out this concept. Number 3. Easier customization and interactive apps. Undoubtedly, mobile applications can be made more social and intuitive by IoT. In addition, this app has come up with new customization options. Therefore, with functionality associated with IoT and other essential features, your app will remain suitable and modified. IoT will create mobile apps that are modern and feature-rich, which will help you stay ahead of increasing competition. IoT technology can provide mobile enterprises and apps with simple personalization options. Number 4. Open source development. In the mobile app development industry, the emergence of IoT technology has resulted in many IoT businesses and app creators freely sharing their own applications and programs. This has allowed nascent developers to borrow and create their unique apps conveniently. The openness it provides in the development process is another benefit provided by the open source development of mobile apps. This has also allowed developers and companies to work seamlessly with each other to create high-tier mobile apps. Number 5. Emerging innovative business. Company creativity has been significantly influenced by IoT. For example, an app like Uber uses IoT to collect data from users of the app and connected devices, allowing customers to get a cab in just a few clicks. IoT has been the gift of advent of more creative companies, and mobile applications are the best medium for exploiting the benefits of IoT for the companies. Businesses concentrate on resolving and solving the consumer segment's pressing challenges and designing IoT-based applications to deliver straightforward solutions. The success of businesses creating mobile apps will rely on how well they adapt and integrate to this powerful technology to make the most of it. Helping companies provide their consumers with more creative offerings and enhanced experiences. How well it is carried out depends upon how IoT is implemented around the board correctly. Indeed, IoT is the future of creating smartphone applications. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more informative content.